Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Naruto x Boruto Shinobi Striker game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now type in Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. Then after clicking on View My Cart, you may continue towards your payment. You can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Once you have filled up all of your credentials and completed the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location and complete the installation in just a few clicks. Once that is done, you can start enjoying the Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker game on your PC. So there you have it, that is how easy it is to download and install Naruto to Boruto Shinobi Striker game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.